Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Just want to talk about stuff I'm gonna do to it, just stuff what's broke, what hasn't broke, just stuff like that. What has broke is this axle, the inner cup, the joint snapped. I was at a buddy's house, coming out of a little like mud hole, just something nothing crazy, because I got stuck. But this front tire grabbed the ground, and just snapped that axle. This one right here, my left one, boot needs to be replaced, but the axle needs to be replaced too because it's kind of clicking a little bit. Also, this back boot, it slipped off like a few days before I went to Boondocks, that big mud park. It was Trucks Gone Wild. So I just slipped on a hose clamp, slipped that boot back on, put some glue on it, put a hose clamp on it, just to hold. It's held ever since. It's been a few months since then. Just thought I'd make this little video, but one thing I never showed, I was about to plug them up so you could see them. My lights underneath it, I got underglows before I went, but they're a pain in the ass. I've been doing this, it's a pain in the ass. But yeah, just small stuff. Oh, one more thing, I'm also getting, in a few months, I'm going to be getting rims and tires. Just going to be a small bill, rims and tires, lift, axles. I'm going to get aftermarket bulbs for the front. It needs 2 bulbs in the rear, and hopefully get a Rigid Industry light bar for that Rigid Industry grill, but it's just so damn expensive. Yeah, I thought I'd just make this little video. But also, you've seen my Bose audio system, what broke. So I made this like a year ago for a school project before I graduated. I added that sub and added a speaker on this other side. These are the only two, but I'm gonna be getting an amp for that. Just gonna be using it around the place, around the house, riding on my 4-wheeler, stuff like that. But yeah, I know they're short videos and they're not really edited at all. I'm still learning. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and I guess watch more. Bye guys.